The X-ray bucky stand is a movable film assistant device matched with medical X-ray machine. It can be used with various X-ray machines. It can be used for X-ray examination of head, chest, abdomen, pelvis, joints and other parts of the human body. Newheek's X-ray bucky stand mainly includes manual X-ray bucky stand, electric X-ray bucky stand, mobile X-ray bucky stand, fixed X-ray bucky stand and doctor special X-ray bucky stand. Newheek bucky stand can be assembled into different types according to actual application. 1. Bucky is size 14x17 or 17x17. 2. Fixed type or mobile type. 3. Dr. Wireless type or Dr. Wire type. 4. Manual type or electric type. Specification NK14SG14X17. Manual lifting and fixed installation NK14SG14X17 bucket. Manual lifting and fixed installation NK14DG14X17 bucket. Electric lifting and fixed installation NK17SG17X17 bucket. Manual lifting and fixed installation NK17DG17X17 bucket. Electric lifting and fixed installation NKDRSG doctor type. Manual lifting and fixed installation NKDRDG doctor type. Electric lifting and fixed installation NKDRSY doctor type. Manual lifting and mobile type NKDRDY doctor type. Electric lifting and mobile type.